Mhm. Hi everyone. Okay. So, have you heard about the words? Mostly they say, aguray kapay. Wait, hold on. Teka lang muna. Tapos ang kasunod is, titingnan ko muna. Kitaak pay. I'll check for it for a while. And then the next word, or the usual words that you will hear for some people, they will say, what if? Sana all. Sapay kuma. That is the usual words that you will hear for a lot of people. Yan din yung nadinig ko noon sa sarili ko. Yan din yung lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko noon. And I always, those words are all self-doubts. Lack of confidence, lack of self-confidence. So, hello, hi everyone. And we are live again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and wherever you are right now. And we are live. Hope everyone is safe and sound. So, yes, I'm here again on my 90 days Go Live challenge. And for our topic for today is overcoming self-doubt. So, yes, you heard me a while ago telling, or have you heard the words to people like, what if? Sana all in Tagalog. Ti Ilocano, sapay kuma. Ingan ka na oy, ayu, sakun kumadi. And you always hear also the word, teka lang muna. Hold on, wait a minute. Aguray kapay, kitaok. You always hear those words, right? And you will always hear the words, but anyway, those are the words for a feeling of or low self-confidence. So, you're having a self-doubt, you're having a feeling of uncertainties and insecurities. And usually it's because that you are afraid to take risk, and you are afraid that you will not be good enough. So those are the words that you will usually hear if you have those lack of self-confidence, and you don't have any, you don't really trust your self-instinct, kumbaga. So, normal lang naman yun na nararamdaman ng isang tao, lalo na sa atin na we are not risk takers, and we are not brave enough, bold enough to face all those situations, or to take a risk. And yes, for today's topic, we're gonna be talking about that, and how did I overcome my self-doubt, how I cleared myself from uncertainties and insecurities. Until now, I'm still insecure. Until now, I have those self-doubts, and until now, I still have those discouragement, kumbaga, dahil nga naman so many factors that will be because aba, Tita Sally, hi. So, oh, thank God for your safe arrival in Canada. So yes, so those are the words that we usually hear for people na may sana all, what if, di ba? Aguray ka pa'y takitaak, teka lang muna, titingnan ko, or I'll check it out first. Those are the words that we usually hear. It's because that we have self-doubt or skeptical, di ba? Hi, Giz. Thank you for dropping in and checking my Go Live. So, paano ba natin i-overcome ang ating mga self-doubt, or how do we overcome our self-doubts? So for me, parang you have to, first and foremost sa akin, you have to check first yourself. You have to accept first the situation or the realization that you're encountering. So, self-love muna, kumbaga. Yung titingnan mo muna yung sarili mo. You have to check first yourself if kaya mo. Kung kaya mong haharapin yun. And then, if you're still having self-doubt, then you have to, seek some advices, seek support. Parang ako, I usually ask my friends, my aunties, my uncles, o diba, for some advices on what if they experience this and what they have done. Yun ang dapat nating tingnan na isa. And then we have to set a realistic goals. Kumbaga titingnan natin kung yun nga, kung kaya ba nating haharapin yun, at kung kaya ba nating isosolve na mag-isa, at kung hindi, hindi ng tulong, di ba? At saka kung meron pa rin skepticism, then we have to educate ourselves, we have to do some learnings. Titingnan natin kung ano ba ang mga dapat na gawin. Tsaka kung tama ba, kung ano ang magandang gawin, kung anong maidudulot ba niya, kung ganito ang gagawin natin. So we have to check also the pros and cons of the actions that we have to do. And then before taking an action, so before you take an action, before you do, or before you jump in, or before you always hear this, take a leap of faith, then yes, you have to, do all those things. So, hi, Hendrix. Hello. Good. Oh, yes. And my tita is here all the way from Canada, virtually supporting me. Yes. And they're the one who's guiding me also. So, yes, those are the things that we usually take when we have these self-doubts. Kasi pag you have self-doubts, nandyan lang naman yan it is usually there dahil sa tingin natin hindi natin kaya, or natatakot natin itry dahil bago ito sa atin, this is new to us, so we are really afraid to take risk, and sa tingin natin parang nakukulangan natin na hindi natin kaya ito. And to do that is the words, the things that I've mentioned a while ago. So like for me, I'm all new to this. This is my first time pakita nag-go live, o di ba? Lahat siguro nagtataka kung bakit ako nag-go live at saka bakit ako nagpapakita, dahil this is the new trend nowadays, and we know that social media has a very big impact to a lot of people. That's why they're using social media to educate people and to give knowledge to everyone, diba? And for me, I'm using it for self-improvement, for growth, and for professional growth too, and to gain more self-confidence. Kasi lalo naman ako, anong kaalam-alam ko dito, wala. But I'm enjoying the journey. So this is one of the gaining more self-confidence, to do it, to step in and do it. Kasi walang mangyayari kung mangyayari kung hindi mo itatry, di ba? Kung hindi mo titingnan. Kasi kung hindi ka madapa, hindi ka matututo. Yun di ba? So that's why I'm doing this new thing, and it's because also that I took a leap of faith. Before I took a leap of faith, of course, yung skepticism nandyan. So, yung unang ginawa ko is, yung inaral ko muna yung sarili ko kung kaya ko ba. Pero, nung inaral ko, tingin ko hindi ko kaya. But why did I still continue? Because this is new to me, because it is a new adventure, talagang bagong-bago. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula, at saka hindi ko alam kung kailan ako mag-i-step forward. So I've decided, I just took a leap of faith. It's because of trust to myself that yes, I can do it. I can learn this. even if I don't have any, even if I'm new to this, I will have to learn it. I will have to educate myself. And then, magiging boring ang buhay ko kung hindi ako mag-take mag-step forward. At saka hindi ko makikilala ang sarili ko kung hindi ako mag-step forward. So, by taking that leap of faith alone, ang dami kong natutunan na nasabi ko na, uy, kaya ko pala. O, di ba? Hindi madali, pero at least may natututunan ako. Mahirap pala, pero at least may nakukuha akong lesson, o di ba? Yun yung nasasabi ko na lang sa sarili ko. Tapos, yes, sabi ni Jeans Bertes, exactly, to prove that you are legit and sincere, o di ba? Nagiging sincere ka sa sarili mo. At saka nagiging makatotohanan ba? At saka nagiging authentic. So by taking a leap of faith, I learned how to embrace my authenticity, o di ba? I learned how to embrace na hindi pala ako magaling sa English. I learned to embrace that ang dami kong ang dami kong o di ba? Yun yung mga natututunan ko dito. But I am learning and I'm enjoying the journey that sooner or later self-confidence magbo-boost at saka itong mga mannerisms na to mawawala as I go on, and I'm becoming more proud to myself, o di ba? Tapos ang maganda pa dito, you are enjoying the journey, you're having an adventure, o di ba? Tapos may napapatunguhan ng buhay mo. So it's never too late, kahit na ilang taon na ako, di ba? And the generation nowadays, they are very very high tech na alam nila, gamay na gamay nila itong social media, itong digital world. Pero sa amin, we're still learning about it, but at least on trend pa rin kami, o di ba? And I want to be a cool tita, and I want to be a cool ate. so hi Zap. Thank you for coming into my live. So, yun yung kagandahan noon na nag-take a leap of faith ka na bago nga, o di ba? So just like and if you ever trust a person na yung sige, yung nakita mong nauna, tapos nagustuhan mo yung ginagawa niya, but you are still skeptical. But you can see the progress of that person, and then you see how she's enjoying the journey, and then you want it to. Then yung trust din, isa din yun, o di ba? May trust ka din na dahil sa nakikita mo, napapaniwalaan mo na mangyayari din yun sa'yo. Parang you're manifesting it. So, yes, Ate Joe. I love it when these kids of Zap call me Ate Joe. It's because, di ba, nagiging cool ka din pag you're trying new things on these new generations. So, yun yung nangyayari. Kapag may trust ka din sa isang tao, parang napapasunod ka rin, na parang nabuboost din yung confidence mo. Kasi nakita mong nagawa nila So, nasasabi mo din sa sarili mo na, uy, kaya ko din to, kakayanin ko din to, sila nga nakaya nila, bakit ako pa kaya, o di ba? So, I've seen a lot of people who progressed as they go on along this journey. Hi, Uncle Norman from Balao, Tajan Mountain Province. Hello. And yes, and I'm talking about self-doubt here, Uncle. so yun yung nasasabi mo din na yung trust na nakita mo, at saka you trust that person and you trust yourself too. Kayang-kaya mong abutin din yun at magawa din yung mga ginagawa nila. So why not? So but everything will fall in doon sa start na word, magsimula, o di ba? Dapat magsimula ka. How will you know if you will not start? Di ba? How will you know if you will not take that first step? And that first step is the most memorable, the biggest part of doing something. Yeah, yes. So, yun ang sabi ni Zap na if others can, why can't I? Yun ang laging sinasabi, di ba? So, yung mga nagwa-what if dyan, what if sana all kitaak pay, aguray ka pay. Saying all those things you never noted or you never noticed na though it took days, yung days na yon, weeks, kasasabi mo naging buwan, kasasabi mo naging taon na, lumipas na ang ilang buwan, ilang taon na hindi na yun pa rin ang sinasabi mo na sana what if. O, di ba? Kitaak pay, aguray ka pay, pagpanunutak pay. Yes, you have all the time to think about it. But while thinking about it, you're doing your research. You're thinking what are your next step already. Am I gonna step in or gonna step out? Tapos iniisip mo rin kung, tinitingnan mo, talagang inaaral mo kung tama ba ito, seek advice while thinking of it, but don't take it too long because you never notice na those days, those nights, those days, those weeks, those months and years, it took years already, hindi mo namalayan. Taon na pala ang lumipas. Nakita mo na sila, umangat na sila. Nakita mo na sila, ang hirap mo na silang abutin. O, di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo na lang na, what if? Diba? Sana lang. Oh, sana all. Yun yung mga words na dapat nating iwasan na sabihin. And tapos iisipin mo, yun yung dapat, kasi yun din yung kinakatakot ko what if tomorrow never comes? Yun yung nakakatakot di ba? Kaya dapat as of right now, we should learn how to make a big step, take a big leap of faith, and take an action. So parang yung sa pagsali ko dito sa aming digital business, because it's really a very 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 different world. Talagang iikot na naman yung buhay mo ng 360 degrees. Talaga ang dami mong babaguhin, ang dami mong iiwasan, ang dami ring iiwas sa'yo, but life must go on. And then you should take it as a learning, you should take it as a lesson na, 'di ba? Na ito nangyayari lahat ito para maging matatag ka at matibay ka sa pag-abot mo sa gusto mong abutin. Yun yung ano. Kaya hopefully that what ifs will turn into an action. Ano bang magandang term para anuhin natin ang what if na yan? O, di ba? Gawin natin positive na parang sana all. Di ba? Well, thank you, Maristel, for watching, and Tita Beth. They are all an inspiration, and they are. I love how they inspire our team members and business partners to do this and encourage this, because nagigain kami ng self-confidence, especially ako. Wala talaga ako sa self-confidence. I just follow those people who are just following their footsteps. Nasanay na ako sa ganun pero joining in this business, I learned how to be authentic and love myself, embrace my authenticity, and I was able to learn new lessons and learn new adventures. Like for this one, this is all new for me. So, and I'm enjoying it. O, di ba? Dahil may mga taong nagtuturo sa iyo kung paano. Yun yung kagandahan nito. May mga taong you are surrounded with the good people. You are surrounded with the successful people, and you are surrounded with the same mindset as they are, o, diba? And I'm very happy that I was in their team, that I was able to, learn all these things with them, especially that I'm new, o, diba? Oy! And then, yun yung nakakatuwa. Tapos, yes. So, sabi ni Zapra, ito, nakakuha ako ng bagong linya for today. So, instead of saying sana all, let's say tara all. Oh? Tara all, join us. O, di ba? So, but anyways, yeah, I joined in this business with full of skepticism. But because of checking it and then checking the overview, learning how is it, and then sinabi ko pa, nagsik pa ako ng mga advices sa mga friends kung kaya ko. Tapos nakikita ko na because of the trust, I was able to step forward and take that big leap of faith. And then, when I took that leap of faith, hindi ako nagsisi because I learned a lot of things. And I was able to boost my self-confidence. O, diba? Ang dami kong natutunan. So, kasi all my life, yung alam ko lang na gawin is nursing. I was a nurse for almost 19 years. O, di ba, hindi ko binibilang, pero as I was counting, nga pala, oh my gosh, that took me too long, and then I haven't tried any adventures, new adventures, and then I haven't tried anything. Yun lang yung talagang ginawa ko for all that 19 years. So why not take a big shot, take a new step na magbibigay ng bagong liwanag or bagong kulay sa inyong mundo as you are here, o di ba? Kaya sabi ko, why not take this chance and opportunity para maiba naman ang linya, kasi it's been almost spent my life in nursing life, and I want a new learning, I want a new lesson, I want a new adventure, o di ba? Kaya ako napunta dito. And then because of that one, it's one of those also reason, but there's a lot of reasons why you will have this business with us. And then that's why I joined here, and then as I took that big leap of faith, doon ko naaral na, kayang-kaya ko pala. O, diba? Tapos na ang dami kong nakitang mga successful people that they were able to do it, na hindi naman siya nurse dati. O, diba? Ano lang naman siya dati? Caregiver, hotelier, event organizers. O, yan, mga yan. O, diba? Seller lang. O, sales lady lang. Mga ganyan. Bakit nakaya nila? Bakit hindi ko rin kaya? 'Di ba? Yun yung nagpatatag talaga ng loob ko na kaya ko din, I can do it and I can make it and especially going into this team and then knowing all these people, surrounded with all these good people, lalong tumibay ang loob ko na I can make it all the way. Kahit na it will take me like 5-10 years, kayang-kaya ko to. Kasi I'm surrounded with them, with the same mindset, they guide and support you even if we are all in the same industry, 'di ba? Kahit na nandun kayo sa same industry, the same trade, you do the same thing, kahit na same business kayo, we don't compare, or we don't envy, hindi ba yung jealousy na ganyan. Despite we support and guide each other, o diba? Parang tinutulungan din namin yung mga kasama namin na to learn new things, to engage into new things, and then we are hindi naman push na yung parang negative na pagiging pushy, but we are pushing on a positive way, o diba? That's the beauty of it. So yes, tara all. And then yun yung natutunan ko sa business na ito, and I'm on the digital business. So just to inform everyone, by the way, that my name is Julie Ann. I'm a business owner, digital business owner, and I'm a business mentor, which we help individuals like you, like me, or like everyone, any walks of life, to jumpstart their online digital business. And yes, we have a free webinar or free info session that it is free, that where you will enter your name and your email address. You can check on my link below. Just enter your name and email address to see if to see an overview of what we are doing, and it will say there the next step. If you're still skeptical and you don't know what to do, I'm just a message away, a call away. Just call me or text message me on the messenger, and I will get back to you. I will tell you everything. black and white. Wala pong nakatago. But you have to, all you have to say or comment down below is how po or how. And then I will get back to you right away and explain everything to you. So, yun po yung nagawa ng business na to sa akin. It boosts my confidence level. It boosts my my insecurities, o di ba? Nawala yung mga yon, nawawala. Meron pa pero paunti-unting nawawala na. And for today's word na bibitawan ko sa inyo is be bold, be brave, and be you. Embrace your authenticity, o di ba? And then change that what if or sana all into tara all or join us. Oh, diba? Oh, thank you so Con for watching. And yes, I have another blessing. So this is our blessings for today. Oh, diba? Everyday parang house, everyday na may nare-receive. Oh, pa isa-isa pero but it's all worth it. So if you want to learn more what is these envelopes are, just send me a message and comment down below. And how po and ano po yun. Oh, diba? Thank you so much for watching. Cheryl. Hi, and Saucon from New Zealand. Hello, hello. I might need help from you, Saucon, from New Zealand to help me with somebody who is interested. And thank you so much for my 7 million viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you po. And see you on my next live. Remember, be bold, be brave, and be you. Good night. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat and have a blessed Friday. Bye-bye. Thank you.